Every week, we continue our discussion with Barbas Law to help bring information to our viewers in the event that you should need legal advice at any point in your lives. Well, today, we're going to dive deeper into the different areas of practice that they handle. Catherine Stone is back with us to help us explore everything that you can provide. Catherine, first, how are you?
Good. How are you? Thank you for having me back.
We are always glad you are here. And, you know, normally we're diving into some pretty in-depth things.
Right. Normally I'm spouting off the law or regurgitating the law and telling people what their rights are. But today I thought, you know what, let's, we're not just a Social Security, workers' comp, and personal injury firm. We also have attorneys in our office that have other ranges of areas of law that they handle. And what's nice about that is we oftentimes will refer our clients to a partner or someone else in our office because we try to be as full service as we possibly can be for the community. And so I have attorneys that do wage and hour, employment discrimination, and ERISA law. So ERISA is like if you have an issue with any kind of employer-provided insurance benefit, long-term, short-term disability. I don't handle any of those areas of law. You've never heard me talk about those? Because I would not be able to discuss that.
I appreciate the honesty.
I would love to bring him on. Maybe we can get him on to talk about that. But so that's why I wanted to say that we're not just what I talk about every time that I come on. And he's a great attorney in our office. We also have an attorney that does securities litigation. So if you have any type of broker issue with any kind of financial institution, he handles those types of, big kinds of securities litigation. Again, I don't handle any of that. But when I have had a few clients in the past that have had issues, and I've been able to refer them to my partner. And in return, he's also had some securities clients that he's been able to refer to me for Social Security, disability, or workers' compensation.
So I want to kind of piggyback off something you said there at the top. You're kind of like a one-stop shop, if you will.
Right. Well, we also have an attorney that handles estate planning, drafting wills and trust. And believe it or not, a lot of times clients get a big settlement and they've never had any type of estate planning or anything like that. And so we offer that and suggest that to them because it's very helpful in helping them manage their lives. And not only that, just knowing people in the community, we're able to bring those clients in, get to know them, because you really get to know clients when you're representing them, and it spins off into maybe they have an auto accident case and they're like, you know what, I had a really good experience at that office, from the person answering the phone to the secretary sitting there next to the attorney. We want to make sure that you want to come back if you ever have any kind of legal need. And again, a lot of us practice, the Social Security, personal injury, and workers' comp. And we have a attorney who's of counsel who does bankruptcy law. And so again, we just have a ton of different areas of law that I don't think a lot of the viewers who may have seen me on before realize that our firm does. We also have multiple locations. We just recently opened a satellite office in St. Petersburg. We also have a satellite office in Sarasota and Land O'Lakes.
So you are covering the Bay Area, covering all types of law. So basically, if you have any questions about your rights, just give him a call. If Catherine can't help you, she's got plenty of people on her team that can. There's the information on your screen, 1-800-BARBAS-LAW, or go to barbaslaw.com/knowyourrights.